Hi and welcome to BlinkBid. In this video, we will cover BlinkBid's most powerful features.
To jumpstart the bid-making process and avoid redundancy, duplicate a job you do frequently. Keep what you need and only change what is necessary. Just click on the hamburger menu and select Duplicate Job. If there's a group of line items you use frequently, create a line item group, or what we call LIG. Click on the plus to create a new line item group, then click the hamburger menu to add line items, including their respective rates and particular settings. You can also save a group of line items from directly inside the job. Once saved, LIGs can be imported into the job at any time. We have a comprehensive advanced invoice feature, which allows you to create, name, and house advanced invoice documents easily and effectively. Enter in a value, and the system will generate a percentage of the job total, a percentage of the production total, or a flat value amount. BlinkBid's currency converter allows you to change the currency of the job at any point using the current exchange rates. Add a base currency in the Financial tab of the job, and then toggle between currencies and rates at the top of the window. When creating markups, you have the option to add a hidden line item markup or a client-facing markup. In the hidden markup, you can enter a value or use the reverse calculator and enter a percent. In the client-facing markup, you have the option to input a markup based on the overall job total or on specifically chosen categories. BlinkBid also has a built-in insurance calculator and pension and welfare calculator. Simply type in a percent and the system will generate a value based on the line item rates and totals. If you have any questions about these features, please access our help page, which explains all the features BlinkBid offers. If your question is not answered, contact customer support via the help icon from the menu under your account name in the top right corner.